Yo, what is up guys? Cooking University here, and today guys, if you are looking for healthy recipes, including this inside out stuffed peppers recipe, then you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. First things first, you're gonna need your grass-fed ground beef. It doesn't have to be grass-fed or organic, but I like it organic and grass-fed because that's the healthiest. Next things next, get your ground pork out. Half a red onion, 1 large green pepper, Italian style stewed tomatoes, or it doesn't have to be Italian style. 1 cup of minute white rice, or it can be brown, doesn't really matter. About a half a cup of water, and I would recommend sink water, not, you know, store-bought water. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, or more. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and last but not least, some shredded cheese. Doesn't really matter which kind, but I like the Fiesta blend the best. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. Alright, I don't even have to say it anymore. I've said this so many times. But first things first, 24 hours before you cook this delicious recipe, get the ground beef and the ground pork out of the freezer and put it in the fridge to thaw out overnight. Get the ground beef and the ground pork out and put it into the skillet. And then set the temperature to about 250-ish degrees. Mash the ground pork and the ground beef up and just keep cooking until it's not pink anymore. Once it is fully mashed up and not pink anymore, set the temperature down to about 150 degrees and then make sure to get all the grease out because there is a lot of grease, especially in the ground pork. Cut the onion up. And place it into the skillet. And do the same exact thing with the green peppers. Get the bad stuff off the green peppers, wash them, cut it all up, and then put them into the skillet. Dump the stewed tomatoes in, fill the water up to about half a cup, and then pour that half a cup of water into the skillet. Get at least 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, or however much you want, you know what I'm saying. I put it all in. It tastes great, doesn't it? I interrupt this video to give a humongous shout out to Ibotta, the place where if you buy certain groceries from a certain grocery store, you get cash back on the groceries that you bought. I have saved a ton of money off some of these ingredients of this recipe from Ibotta. All you gotta do is just use my referral code, link in the description below, or it's subtitled right here. And once you submit your first receipt on Ibotta, you get an extra $10 back on groceries, but that is only if you use my referral code. And the best part about Ibotta is that it's 100% free to sign up. And I would like to put a disclaimer on this video that I also make $10 on Ibotta too. When you sign up, use my referral code. Fill the rice up until it's about 1 cup full rice, and then dump it into the skillet. Now dump a little bit of salt and a little bit of ground black pepper into the skillet. Turn the temperature up to about 225 degrees and then mix everything around and keep on cooking until the liquid is absorbed. It doesn't have to be fully absorbed, but it has to be at least mostly absorbed. And while I'm mixing the ingredients in, if you're interested in discovering more about getting cash back on groceries, then be sure to check out Ibotta at the link in the description below. Once it is at least mostly absorbed, make sure to turn off the skillet. And then here comes the best part. Sprinkle the top with cheese and choose however much cheese you want to. And feel free to mix the cheese around too. I mix it around just so it's not just on top, but you are more than welcome to mix it in and sprinkle it on top, or just sprinkle it on top. And then voila, you got your inside out stuffed peppers recipe. Alrighty guys, so now is the time that we feast. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get some pepper in there too. Woo! You know, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, delicious. Could always use more cheese in it. You can sprinkle cheese on top if you want. Give it a little bit more taste. Oh no, it's fantastic. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. Oh, didn't see you guys there. Well guys, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that way you do not miss a single upload, helping you out cook the healthy, cheap, and easy way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.